Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. In today's video, we will learn how to solve a linear equation. We have taken x plus 2 by 4 equal to 3 as an example. Let's move to the solution. The given equation is x plus 2 by 4 equal to 3. Now we will multiply both sides by 4. So we have x plus 2 by 4 times 4 equal to 3 times 4. Look that 4 gets cancelled in the left hand side. So we have x plus 2. And in the right hand side, we have 12. Now we will subtract 2 from both sides, which gives x plus 2 minus 2 equal to 12 minus 2. Now simplifying this, we get x equal to 10. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.